This Teacher's Day, my dedication and my gratitude goes to my biggest teacher, and she's none other than my mom, my dear friends. My mom taught me this when I was growing. I was maybe 5 years old, and this stayed with me for a long, long time. And I'm trying all possible ways to stick to this learning, this piece of learning. And this piece of learning is called 3D. 3Ds. The first D is called decency. You need to be decent with people. You need to be nice with people. You cannot afford to be rude. So, to a larger extent, try to be decent, my dear friends. The second one was decorum. Maintain a decorum. When I say decorum is all about ABC: appearance, your behavior, and your communication with yourself and with others. Maintaining a decorum, my dear friends. And the third one, the most important, is discipline. How can you be more disciplined? How can you have some ground rules for life, both professional and personal, and continue doing it day in and day out? And that's the key to success. So, my friends, remember 3D, and thank you, Mom, for being there always for me. Thank you.